Welcome to our video on opinion writing. Before we start our class today, if you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. Before we start our class today, let's think about a few questions. What is your favorite ice cream flavor? Why? What's the best movie ever? Why do you like it? What is the snack you don't like? Why do you say so? Think about the answers to these questions. Your answers were all opinions. An opinion is what you think or believe about something. It's your own personal idea or feeling about a topic or question. It may not be same as what others think, and that's okay. In this video, today we will learn about what is opinion writing, explore how to plan and arrange ideas for opinion writing effectively, support opinions with facts and other details, study an example of an opinion piece. What is opinion writing? A piece of writing in which an author expresses their thoughts or feelings, viewpoints and opinions about a particular topic. For example, an opinion writing topic could be recycling, the best way to save the earth. In this topic, the writer is expressing their opinion that recycling is the best way to save the earth. How do you express an opinion? You can use keywords that signal that you are expressing your personal feelings or thoughts like, in my opinion, I believe, I think, I feel. For example, you could start your opinion piece with a sentence like, I believe recycling is important because it helps protect our planet. Next, provide supporting reasons for your opinion. First, recycling plays a big role in preserving our natural resources. Instead of cutting down trees, we can reuse paper and plastic. Additionally, recycling reduces waste. Recycling keeps trash out of landfills, which helps keep our air and water clean. So use transitional words like first or additionally to illustrate your points. Lastly, recycling conserves energy. It takes less energy to make things from recycled materials instead of starting from scratch. So it is best to support your opinion with 2 or 3 reasons. These 3 reasons are detailed and full of facts. Evidence to support your opinion will always make it stronger. So let's combine all our opinions. Recycling, the best way to save the earth. I believe recycling is important because it helps protect our planet. First, recycling plays a big role in preserving our natural resources. Instead of cutting down trees, we can reuse paper and plastic. Additionally, recycling reduces waste. Recycling keeps trash out of landfills, which helps keep our air and water clean. Lastly, recycling conserves energy. It takes less energy to make things from recycled materials instead of starting from scratch. So pay attention to the transitional words. They give the paragraph an organized structure. Opinion speed up round. In this activity, you will state your opinion on given topic and support it with a reason. First question, should students have homework over the weekend? Why? Second question, is it better to read books in print or on electronic devices? Why? Should children lunches include more vegetarian options? Why? So remember, support your opinion with reasons and facts to make it more convincing. Summary. Opinion writing deals with the writer's thoughts about a topic. Opinion writing must be supported by at least 2 to 3 reasons. The more detailed your reasons are, the more convincing your opinion will be. Keep practicing your opinion writing skills and use them to make a positive impact in your community. In the next video, we will discuss about some more examples on opinion writing. Thank you for watching.